Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we connect earbud with our phone. Guys we have guys this earbud and guys you want to connect with your realme phone device. So friends, how can you connect? In this video friends we are going to talk about it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when we will on our phone setting to connect our earbud. After phone setting, guys, click on your phone Bluetooth setting and guys take out your earbuds. So friends, you want to connect one as you want to connect both of. So guys, take out your both of earbud and guys we will on our phone Bluetooth. So you want to on your Bluetooth, guys, you can on and off from here and we will refresh. So after refresh, guys, you can see your earbud name. So I have got this page on, so I will tap here to connect. Then I wait. Once you can see this notification, guys, click on this right side, then it will connect and guys you can use your earbud and guys you can use guys while watching movies, listening song, guys you can use your earbud. So like that guys, you can connect your earbud with your realme phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.